Yo everybody, what is up? We're back again today with another new video, and right now me and Macy, we are about to head 10 hours north. We're going up to Tennessee to meet up with like 10 other homies, and it is gonna be fucking insane. Let me turn on the light so you guys can even see it. There we go. All right, so when we get to Tennessee, we're gonna be rolling up at like 4 a.m. Me and Macy are gonna sleep in the car, and we're gonna wake up to frothing waterfalls. This is gonna be the last time I'm gonna be able to go real cliff jumping this season, because it is about to start snowing up north and out west, so I won't be able to do much traveling, and I'm really just gonna be working until I get enough money to go back out west, get the bus, and continue doing what I love to do. But until then, we got 10 hours to go, so we'll see you guys on the road. You ready?
Yes.
Let's get it. Alright guys, a little update. We're about 6 hours into this drive now, and we got about another 6 hours to go. Been on the road pretty much all night. It's about 1 a.m. right now, and we are set to get to Alabama now. A little bit of a change of plans. We're going to Alabama, hit a 90-foot waterfall up there, and it says we're gonna get there at 5 a.m., but we're probably gonna get there around 4, because we're gonna stop about an hour out at a Walmart, spend the night there in the backseat of this car here, just so I can make some videos for you guys to watch. Shit we do. We are out here, man! It is the next morning. We have awoken. We ended up sleeping in the backseat of the car in a Walmart parking lot, but now we are on the way to the waterfall. It's currently 45 degrees outside. It's fucking cold. But we're about 20 minutes out of the waterfall right now, and we're just enjoying this beautiful scenery. Leaves changing colors. I ain't never seen no shit like this before. My Florida hat. Yeah. Ooh, we out here. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're only about 10 minutes away from the waterfall now. I just got word from Seth that they're gonna be pulling up in about 2 hours. So we were just kind of messing around. We got this epic view right here. So we're just hanging out in Alabama. We're in Alabama now, by the way. So, oh, there's a dead deer right there. Sick. A deer. Possible takeoff. This doesn't look very big.
It doesn't at all, actually. Where are we at right now? 82.
82?
Right now, hold on. I'm still in the water though.
I feel like the sun not hitting it is gonna fuck with me.
Yeah, same.
This guy needs to come out a little bit more. Alright, what do you think?
It's crazy.
We're gonna go send it. Flash forward from the last time I saw you guys at that waterfall. My memory card got filled up completely, so I haven't been able to vlog since then, but I just freed up some space, and we're about to go take these skateboards and bomb my stepbrother's driveway, because it's super fun. So we're gonna take you guys along to do that, and then no, I'm gonna ride this one down it, because I can do more carbon shit. But after this, we're gonna go chill like at the mall and stuff. We might go ride some go-karts later. I'm not sure if we're gonna be here for that or not, but other than that, we just got a long drive home, and And that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though.
Pack your bags, hit the open road. Hearts just won't die. It's the truth keeps us alive.
This is funny, kinda. That's scary. Yeah.
The sweetest dove in a dream.
Well, we got the high kids and
So many miles, so many miles, so many miles away.
There we go.